हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? यू आर वेलकम टू माय स्कॉलर्स एंड दिस इज समीर. Here we have brought a question from some application of trigonometry, that is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. We shall solve. Solution. Let AB is 7-meter high building. AB is a 7-meter high building. There is AB, which is 7-meter high. This is building AB, which is 7-meter high. A and B. This is building. And this is the top of the building. Top. This is the top of the building. A is the top. Now, in front of this, and the height of this building is 7 meter. The height of this building is 7 meter. In front of it, there is a tower, cable tower. Let there is a tower which is in front of the building. This is tower and this is ground. Ground is CD. Sorry, tower is CD. CD is the tower, BD is the ground. CD is tower. So from here, point A, the observer observes an angle of 60 degree to the top of the tower. This angle is 60 degree. Angle of elevation. This angle is angle of elevation, which is 60 degree. This is 60 degree angle of elevation. Say it is a point E. It is a point E. This way AB DE is a rectangle. ABDE is a rectangle. If this is AB is 7 meter, ED will be 7 meter. As we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So this way these two are standing vertically. So this is why they will make the same angle 90 degree with the ground. Now, angle of depression from the top of the same building to the foot of the tower is, this is angle of depression, which is AD is a line which is making an angle of depression to the foot of the tower, that is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. This angle will be 45 degree since BD parallel to AE, and these are interior alternate angles. So interior alternate angles are equal. This way we have completed our figure. Now we shall see the solution. In triangle ABD, first we shall write what is building. AB is the building. Let AB is the building. AB is the building. AB is the building and CD is the tower and CD is the tower. Angle of elevation CAE, angle of elevation CAE, angle CAE is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle CAE, in triangle CAE, which is right angle at A, in triangle CEA, tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to, tan is the ratio of perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular is CE upon AE, and the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So root 3 is equal to CE upon AE, CE upon AE, or we can say root 3 into AE by cross multiplication is equal to CE. CE is equal to root 3 into AE. This is our first equation. Now we see in this triangle. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, right angled at B, again we shall use tan. This is 45 degree, so tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, AB upon BD. And the value of tan 45 degrees is 1. So that is 1 is equal to AB. Value of AB is 7 meter. And BD upon BD. So this way BD is equal to, BD into 1 is equal to 7 meter. 7 meter. This is our second equation. BD is equal to 7 meter, this way, BD. And we know that BD is equal to AE. And as ABDE is a rectangle, so BD is equal to AE. BD is equal to AE, opposite side of rectangle. So this way we can substitute AE by BD. So here we can write substituting AE by BD. So CE is equal to, therefore, root 3 into, instead of AE we are writing BD. BD is equal to C. Now we may substitute the value of BD, which is 7 meter. So if we substitute the value of BD here, BD is 7 meter. So CE is equal to, or CE is equal to, the value of BD is 7 into root 3. BD is 7 into root 3, 7 root 3 meter. This way we have the height CE is equal to 7 root 3 meter. And the total height of the tower will be, what will be the total height of the tower? That is CD. Total height of the tower is CD. And we know that CD is equal to CE plus ED. Height of the tower is equal to CD. CD is equal to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. And the value of CE, so this way CD is equal to, value of CE is 7 root 3. 7 root 3. And value of ED is 7, opposite side of the rectangle ABDE. So AB is 7, ED will be 7. 7 root 3 plus 7 is the total height, meters. Or height of the tower CD is equal to, we take common, root 3, 7 we can take common, root 3 plus 1 into 7 meter. This is the height of the tower. Seven into root 3 plus 1. Hence the height of the tower is is square root 3 plus 1 within bracket into 7 meters. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my scholars.